to me. This is hydrochloric acid, but it is a concentrated hydrochloric acid. What do you mean by concentrated hydrochloric acid? That which contain water less but acid more. But we have to react this hydrochloric acid with metal, but it should be a dilute. It should be dilute. Then how we will make this concentrated hydrochloric acid dilute by adding some water. I will add some hydrochloric acid to this flask. This is concentrated. And how we will make a dilute? It is known as wash bottle. It contains distilled water. I will add some distilled water in it, but in installments because this reaction is highly exothermic. This reaction is adding water to the acid is a highly exothermic reaction. It can make blast, or it can create blast, or it can break this this flask. So we have to add water in installments and stir continuously. Now it is dilute hydrochloric acid. You can check it how much heat has been released. That it indicates that the reaction is exothermic. Now this is iron powder, iron metal, and we will add this iron metal to the acid. And the same reaction that I have shown you in the board, the same reaction should take place here. I will add some iron powder here, and usually zinc is used, but today we will use iron. You can see the formation of bubbles. You can check how vigorously the reaction is taking place, and these bubbles are hydrogen gas. I will check it because we know the hydrogen gas burns with a pop sound. I will connect the delivery tube to this flask so that the hydrogen gas delivered to the other test tube or beaker. Is it? I will take this stand here, and this is test tube. I will put some water in it so that you can identify the production of hydrogen gas. I will hold it with you can see. Check. What are these bubbles? Hydrogen gas. What reaction has takes place in this flask? Iron reacts with hydrochloric acid and produces hydrogen gas that is transferred to this test tube through the delivery tube, and the salt will remain, metal salt will remain the titration flask there. Is it? And we can check this gas is a hydrogen gas or any gas by checking, because we know that hydrogen gas burns with a pop sound. Pop sound. I will show you if we have matchstick. See, I will collect the hydrogen gas first. I will check here whether the sound will produce or not. If the sound will not be produced here, then we have to collect it some other test tube, and I will show you. Is it? This means pop sound. Is it? And it's a property of hydrogen gas. It burns with a pop sound. Is it? I will show you in other test tube. It is other test tube. I will collect this gas in this test tube like this. You can see. I will put it in this. You can burn. Is it? Yes. This is a pop sound. This indicates that this gas is a hydrogen gas. Is it? Carbon.